There are several different ways to easily upload images to Dijibiz. While on the My Account page, click on the menu here and enter any folder in the Folders section. We can upload any image by using the drag and drop method or by selecting an image from the window that opens when you click here. The image appears here. When we enter the editor, we can see and use this image in the library section. Similarly, you can also upload images from the library section. Alternatively, you can drag and drop images directly from your desktop to this section.